And see, you kind of created your little canvas there. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. And today we're going to be doing Oobleck and then we're going to paint on it.
Yes, and you are
Corban.
And I am
Mommy.
Mommy, yes. All right, stay tuned. Okay, Corbin, so what do we need?
You need an aluminum tray.
Aluminum tray.
Some paintbrushes.
Okay, paintbrushes.
Food coloring.
All right.
You need some water.
Water.
A measuring cup.
Okay.
You need some cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
And a plate. This is where you're going to put your food coloring.
All right, and a paper plate. All right, let's get
started.
All right, the first step is for Corbin to put 2 cups of cornstarch into the aluminum tray while he's making funny faces. All right, let's get our second cup. Now Corbin's going to pour the second cup of cornstarch into the aluminum tray here. All right, now we will go to the next step. Next, Corbin's going to pour 1 cup of water into the aluminum tray.
Go! 1.5 cups, mine.
Well, we'll try 1 cup now, and let's see how it goes. All right, now mix it with your hands.
Ew! Okay. Oh my god, it looks like the slime. Yeah.
Keep going.
We probably need another cup.
All right, I'm gonna pour just a little bit more water in here.
While I'm playing with it.
All right, Corbin is still playing with it. I think he's gonna make a ball. You gonna make a solid? Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
All right, here's Corbin's ball here. Can I see it? Here's your ball. It's a solid. Now it's gonna go into a liquid. Very cool. What did you just tell me?
It's hard when you punch it.
Okay.
But easy when you just put your finger in there.
Oh, but it sinks down. Okay. So it could be like a solid and a liquid.
Kick toy.
Oh, who is that?
Chase.
Chase. From Paw Patrol.
Look.
Uh-oh, he's sinking down.
And then the water. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then we're gonna paint on it.
All right, it's gonna sit for 10 minutes. This is how it looks. Okay, now Corbin is gonna put the food coloring, dots of food coloring, into the paper plate.
It's a paper plate.
Yeah, you put some into the pan. It's okay. Just put it into the paper plate. All right, Corbin's gonna take the paintbrush and dip it into one of his colors there. And he's gonna write or draw something onto in the pan. And see, you kind of created your little canvas there. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that cool? All right.
I'm making it on the green I put in there.
All right. A.
That's C right there.
So C.
That was not an option.
B. All right. Homemade canvas for drawing and painting. All right. Corey's going to put his hands in there. Oh, it should be solid. Is it hard?
I mean, it's not. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And remember to subscribe.
Bye. Ooh. Look at my ball. There it goes. Ooh, there's a you again!
Yeah.
And there you! Oh. See you in the next video. Bye!